Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter Light for class 7. In our previous lecture, we were discussing about real and virtual images. So first of all, in this lecture, we will discuss the difference between real and virtual image. Real image, as I told you, is formed due to actual intersection of the reflected rays. So as I repeatedly told you that real image is formed whenever the reflected rays actually meet, whereas the virtual image is formed when the reflected rays appear to meet if they are produced backward. So there were no ray in our previous previous picture we had seen. Now the real image can be obtained on screen, but virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. So this is the third difference. Now a real image is inverted with respect to the object. This is not very much correct in each and every aspect, and the virtual image is erect with respect to the object. This is also not true in each and every case. So we'll stick to the first 2 points. What are these? First of all, that real image is formed when actual reflected rays actually meet, and virtual images are formed when the rays appear to meet. Second, that real image can be obtained on screen, whereas virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. So here you can see, this is the simplest example you can see in your silver spoon. So this is image which is formed from the outer side of spoon, and this is the image which is formed from the inside of the spoon. Here it is inverted image, where it is erect image. So now next property of image. Now, what is so we had seen about image. Image is a optical representation of the object which is formed by the light. Second was that image can be real, virtual, it can be erect, inverted, and the size can be of the same size of the as of the object, smaller than it, and or be magnified or larger than it. Next is left right inversion of the image. So this we have also discussed in one of the previous slides, that when you see yourself in the plane mirror, when you wave your left hand, image will wave its right hand. So what is happening? Your left part become right of the image. So this is called left right reversal or lateral inversion. Okay, so the phenomena where your left appears as the right of the image or vice versa in a mirror is called lateral inversion. So here you can see this person, this is object, or the real person is waving right hand, where the image is waving the left hand. This is for the same reason the ambulance in these kind of ambulances are written backward. Okay, and in left right reversal, so that this is seen as in correct order in the rear view mirror. Now we'll be discussing characteristics of the images which are formed by plane mirror. Now what is plane mirror? The mirror which don't have a curved surface, and this is the most commonly used mirror which we use in our dressing tables. So this is the dressing up mirror. So image which is formed by plane mirror is always virtual, that it cannot be obtained on screen, and reflected rays, they appear to meet, they don't actually meet. And the image is erect. Why it is erect? So you have observed that the image has its face upward. Here the object face is also on the upside, and the image's face is also on the upside. So this image is erect. But there is lateral inversion, that the objects left become images right. And when you see yourself in the plane mirror, you must have observed the images are exactly of the same size as you are. So size of the image is exactly the same of the object. Now whenever if you move away from the mirror, the image will also move away from the mirror, and as you come close to the mirror, image will also come close to the mirror. So distance of the object and the mirror is always equal to the distance of the image and the mirror. So whenever you come near to the mirror, image will also come near to the mirror, and whenever you go far from the mirror, image will also go far from the mirror. Now, what are the uses of plane mirror? Plane mirror is used in making periscopes, which is used by submarines, which is used in submarines It is used as a looking or dressing up glass. It is also used as a reflector in solar cooker. In our next lecture, we'll be discussing about concave mirrors. Thank you.